We are giving away over 2,000 in Hbar. Hbar is growing at an exponential rate. Is Gary Gensler going to quit the SEC? And will XRP end up at $15 plus by December of this year? We're going to find out all of that. If you stick to the end of the video, you will get the answers. Please also drop a like on the video. If we hit 1,000 likes, I will give away 100 XRP. What is up? I am Crypto Mason, and welcome back to the Crypto Mason YouTube channel. Shout out to the Gold Squad. We look for gold in every single aspect of our lives, and we always find it. Now today, we are back for another crypto market update. We've got a lot to cover. There's massive XRP price predictions coming out. We're going to talk about Bitcoin because everything is green right now. Everything is pumping. I mean, except a couple things, Dogecoin, Litecoin. But everything's pumping. $31,000 Bitcoin. We're going to talk about that. We're going to talk Hbar, all of the coins that we love. So let's get right into it. The first thing I wanted to mention is we are doing a 2,222 Hbar token giveaway. Okay, this is in celebration of hitting over 200 stakers in our Hbar node. So we are honored to be providing 200 plus people passive income while they sleep, right? That's what this is. Like, you can literally stake your Hbar tokens or Corium. By the way, we also have the Corium validator. We're going to be talking about Corium a little bit later into the video. But you can stake your Hbar, and legitimately, while you sleep, it will be compounding. Every 2 hours, your rewards get restaked, and you can be earning in your sleep. But we're doing the giveaway. I will link this giveaway tweet in the description so you guys can partake. But let's get into the market here. So Bitcoin, obviously we're going ham, right? We're going ham. This is what we're looking like. Very, very nice price action on Bitcoin. One thing that I do notice, I do have our smoothed candles on. This is from our Patience IO indicator suite, which is coming soon. Make sure you guys stay tuned. Get your name on the list for the custom trading indicators coming very, very soon, called Patience. Now, I do have the smoothed candles on. So we can see right here, I'm circling back in April, right? Back in April, we reached the same heights that we're toying with right now. Okay, so April of 2023, we are toying with these heights right now, and we're actually doing pretty good. On the 12-hour, you can clearly see right here that we do have that wick that came down all the way below 30K, but pushed right back up, and that candle did not close below 29K. Very interesting price action here. You know, as for our copy trading operations, I've taken a step back because the market is very unpredictable right now. And honestly, Bitcoin to me still has to prove itself and, you know, smash into the 30Ks for me to really, really think we're going bullish here. But copy trading will not stop. I will always be doing that. So if you've got your funds loaded up in there, just wait on that next trade. Let's look at the total crypto market cap, because I will admit we are getting stronger. We are getting stronger. As you can see, this area right here, we blasted above the $1 trillion level. Then we went below it. Then we tried again twice. We tried again twice to break 1 trillion, and we couldn't, right? We were so dang weak. But now we got above it here, went down, and immediately came back up extremely high, and then tested 1 trillion, but bounced off 1 trillion. So we're looking good. Like the strength is increasing of Bitcoin, and that's pretty clear, right? So there's my little Bitcoin analysis. We do have ETH as well. That's what the ETH chart is looking like. We've got Hbar down in the dumps at 5 cents still. You got a nice wick to even 4 cents back at the start of June. We've got Algo still way down at 12 cents. So I'm looking at, you know, picking some of these up. especially if we get another dump on Bitcoin. Now, let's talk about the huge Hbar news. I want to give a big shout out to King Solomon. King Solomon is the one who found these patents. So there have been 2 patents that have been found that were filed by PayPal Incorporated. These are United States patents, and this is PayPal Incorporated. The first one they filed is for automatic access / restriction of NFTs. Now, why is this important? Well, if we look into the actual patent, you will see that they are mentioning Hbar. They're just mentioning Hbar. PayPal is mentioning Hbar, okay? They say directly, for example, one Hbar is always equal in value to another Hbar. One Hbar is one Hbar, okay? And why are they choosing to use Hbar as the example? That leads us to the second patent that King Solomon found, which is actually for the utilization of biometrics in the creation of secure key or digital signature. Super interesting right there, this patent. But here is the Hbar mention in here. It says, while a vast majority of crypto wallet applications are used to store cryptocurrencies, example, Hbar, Ethereum, spelled wrong, Bitcoin, capitalized weird. So what is going on here? Are these like genuinely from PayPal? Who knows what's going on? I don't know. They're literally spelling Ethereum wrong, and they're capitalizing Bitcoin in a weird way, right? Super interesting, but there are legitimately 2 U.S. patents. You can see the patent number filed right there that mention Hbar from PayPal Incorporated. Extremely crazy. Now, we have a massive announcement from KuCoin, folks. They are going to now force KYC. And if you don't KYC, you will lose certain features. You probably won't even be able to use the exchange. Now, we know that KuCoin is not supposed to be available in Canada, right? But until now, they've let you just use it without KYC. So I've been using that thing, right? Because they didn't KYC. But now when I KYC, if you don't know what KYC means, it means provide your identity. You take a picture of your ID, you submit it. You even sometimes take a picture of you smiling with your ID beside you, and you submit all your info, and they can prove where you're from, etc., right? So they will know that Canadians are now from Canada, and we won't be able to use the platform. So this is the death of KuCoin. And, I've been a big supporter of KuCoin. I love the exchange. Cleanest interface probably in the whole game. But it's a sad day, dude. I'm not, as of July 15, RIP KuCoin. I'm getting all my shit off there, and screw you, KuCoin. It's sad that I have to slaughter them now, right? Because they're just garbage now. They even were blocking my withdrawals the other day as well. It's just garbage. What exchanges am I using? Well, we are partnered. The channel is partnered with 2 different exchanges here. I use Fairdesk literally on a daily basis. Fairdesk is my main exchange, as well as Femex, okay? So Femex and Fairdesk, link in the description. We just ran a $2,000 trading contest with Fairdesk. They have Quant. You can get XRP. You don't have to KYC. So no matter where you're from, go and use Fairdesk. And you can trade futures. You can trade Quant on here. You can buy XRP. And this is where we also do our copy trading right here. So you can go and check that out. Now, there have been rumors that Gary Gensler is quitting the SEC. And, we've got some info that these probably will be false. BitBoy was told by an insider that Gensler resigning is almost definitely false. If he ends up leaving soon, it more than likely won't be a resignation. Okay? So you are stupid if you think that BitBoy doesn't have actual inside sources, right? You're literally dumb, okay? And you're stuck in your emotions. you're stuck like in the Trump effect. You won't listen to anything BitBoy says because he's so polarizing and you're just so emotionally immature and you can't flex your objective thinking muscles at all, right? You're benching 10 pounds on your objective thinking muscles. So work those muscles out. This dude has onboarded more people than any other person into crypto. Literally. Maybe Coin Bureau has him beat. And for all the people that say this is dick riding, you're dumb as shit. You know, this is just giving someone their flowers when they're due, right? And he has done a lot for crypto as a whole. And obviously he's done his fair share of crazy, sketchy shit. Like there's been some sketchy shit, I will admit that. But he does have inside sources, in my opinion, right? He's very connected. He's the biggest crypto channel in the USA. And, you know, I bet the rumors are false about Gary as well. Moving on to Hbar. Hbar's monthly transactions have been growing. Look at that growth. December 2022, January 2023, and all the way to June. It's a step up every single time. Shout out to House of Chimera for this graph. Just wanted to show you that we are still increasing those transactions. And you got stuff like Karate Combat built on Hbar. You've got thousands of NFTs on Hbar. There's reasons that those are increasing every month. Experts are projecting. So this is our little XRP section here. Experts are projecting an XRP breakout 31x surge to $15. What are my thoughts on this? So here's the expert that they're quoting, right? So one thing you got to watch out for in crypto is like the shitty little news sources, like smaller news sources, not Cointelegraph and CoinDesk and all those. Shit like this, the cryptobasic.com, right? Who is that? It's very small. And they will clickbait articles using just this as their source, right? This is their source for this. This is the expert. Some dude with 30K on Twitter who tweets overly bullish charts on XRP. Because if you know anything about technical analysis, to an extent, you can make anything look like anything, right? You can draw like lines to kind of make anything look like anything. You can manipulate with time frames. You can manipulate how things look. So he's tweeting these overly bullish shit. Dude, focus on getting even just past $1. We have so much like trouble getting past $1 with XRP. Like, let's get up to $1 where we should be. Let's get up to $2 where we should be easily. Let's get up to even $4 first before we start discussing like tripling the all-time high. So yes, in my opinion, this is bullshit. By December, though, I do think we could see an all-time high break. Probably not as big as $15 unless something crazy happens. We'll see what happens. Now, here are some hidden gems that I believe, could actually moon here, folks. We have Nexara, which is the rebooted Alliance block. We have XRD, which is Radix, okay, very underrated. Spool is a institutional DeFi project, okay? You guys know my portfolio is like geared towards enterprise blockchain and like institutional blockchain. Corium, Corium. Corium is enterprise grade blockchain. That's literally like their whole essence is being friendly to enterprises. Then we have XYO and we have Snail. Okay, Snail is actually a meme coin, but I believe they're going to try and make a transition into being like more of a legitimate project, or they were using the meme coin branding to kind of like establish themselves and get some hype. So one that I want to zone in on here is Corium, though. Because Corium, we do run a validator node for Corium, right? Where you can stake. We have 66 people staking their Corium in our node. And, you know, I do have a tutorial on this. If you scroll down on my channel, you will find that tutorial. It is right here, how to earn passive income in crypto, staking in a validator node. And you can actually stake, help secure the blockchain, and, you know, earn passive income. Some rewards right there. Corium is officially partnered with the channel. They're enterprise-grade blockchain. People, whenever I see people list like the ISO coins, like the ISO 20022 coins, they never mention Corium. But Corium is actually the first EGB. Okay, now what is an EGB? This is a new generation of blockchains that are directly geared towards enterprise solutions, and these are compliant with ISO 20022 requirements. So here's all the key attributes of EGB networks. So my portfolio in general is trying to like aim at EGB networks, right? Hbar is an EGB, XRP, EGB, Stellar, XDC, most definitely XDC, right? Because they're public-private hybrid, so they're offering the private solutions to, for enterprise as well, for trade finance. So massive shout out to Corium. They, you know, their Twitter is just booming. 51,000 on the Twitter. Extremely passionate community. You can now get it on Uphold. So go buy yourself some Corium if you would like. No financial advice, of course. I don't even feel the need to say that anymore because it's just so stupid. Yeah, get some Corium. You can stake it in the validator node. The interesting thing here, I want to make one interesting point about validators. And staking in validators. Here's a secret. The SEC might ban crypto staking in the USA. Like they might try and actually ban that. So you won't be able to make any passive income from staking crypto because it's going to be banned on centralized exchanges and possibly even wallets. Here's what will never be banned on staking. They will never be able to ban staking your money in a validator node. They can't ban on-chain staking. Nobody can control that. They cannot ban it. So our validator nodes, as the Gold Squad community, we run Corium, one Corium validator, and a Casper validator. And we're looking to expand to more. And you can earn passive income rewards for helping secure the blockchain in these. Okay? It is a very dope process. And, you know, go check it out. So, final thing is another project we are partnered with, Commonwealth. Here is my update on Commonwealth, folks. Who got one? Leave in the comments or join the Discord and go into the NFT chat and let me know, did you guys get a Commonwealth Genesis Series 2 NFT? I got mine. And I'm staking already. I've earned 155 wealth tokens. Okay, 155 wealth tokens already from staking. So if you haven't staked, go to the Commonwealth site, common-wealth.io, and go to the staking page. And when they do their token generation event, token genesis event, you can claim these. And maybe they'll be worth something. So, wanted to play a clip to end off this video here. This is the essence of Commonwealth. Listen to what these people are saying. Hold on. So Commonwealth, we know, is all about letting regular people access like venture capital level deals and early stage investment. So here we go.
Opening up access to just everybody. It's not a social mission, but it's not far off.
Commonwealth's mission is essentially to create a fully decentralized DAO that is a VC, but the objective is essentially to create a fully autonomous machine that cannot be stopped, that is owned by nobody, but owned by everybody.
You, as a retail investor, if you want to get access to early stage cryptocurrency projects, you'll just download the app and you'll pay with crypto or Visa card, and you'll be invested into this portfolio. The same portfolio that, you know, tier 1, tier 2 VCs are investing into directly themselves.
So there is the the breakdown of Commonwealth. We are partnered with them and on as advisors to them. But wanted to wrap the video up with that. Make sure you drop a like and comment on the video. I love every single one of you, and goodbye.